Yeah, it is.
Okay, so we're in the grocery store right now. Look, it's Ame and me, and I can't see myself, so I don't know what I look like. But we're gonna get a cake for our anniversary. For those strawberry cupcakes. This is totally Alyssa's dog.
I'm really curious as to what this is.
Candle section. That looks cool. They're so cute. What?
You want a chocolate cake?
Yes. Okay. We're getting a chocolate cake.
Guys, want to
That's
get
a
chocolate
flower.
covered strawberry?
Stop.
I don't think oh, there it is. Boom goes dynamite. We have the winners.
Hey guys, it's Amen and Rain, and we just wanted to thank you guys for subscribing to us and watching all our videos. It's been exactly 1 year to this day, and we're celebrating with a cake and some sparkling
Yay.
juice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Okay.
So, thank you for watching.
Thank you. Kanpai.
Happy cooking.